Hey guys, it's Emily. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make 3 easy Christmas bookmark ideas. Let's get on with the video. The first bookmark I'm going to show you how to make is this striped bookmark. You want to start by drawing and cutting out a bookmark of any size out of white cardstock paper. I made mine to be 6 by 2.5 inches. Then you can draw out the stripes with a pencil, and you want to measure them to be 1 inch apart with a ruler. After you're done drawing the stripes, you can paint them in with any color of paint. I painted mine red. To make things easier, I marked the stripes I wanted to paint by adding a spot of paint on the ones I wanted to paint. I also painted the edges of the stripes first, and then I painted them completely in. When the paint is dry, you want to make a hole in the bookmark with a hole puncher. Then you want to take a piece of ribbon and fold it in half. Then you want to pull the loop of the ribbon through the front of the bookmark. And then you want to take the ends of the ribbon and pull it through the loop. When you're done tying the ribbon on the bookmark, you can trim the ribbon and then you're all done. The next bookmark I'm going to show you how to make is this fabric bookmark. The first thing you want to do is that you want to cut out your bookmark to the size you want it to be, and you want to cut it out of any color of cardstock paper. I made mine to be 6 by 2 inches, and I cut mine out of black cardstock paper. When you're done cutting out your bookmark, you want to take a piece of fabric or a piece of ribbon, and you want to cut it slightly larger than your bookmark. I used plaid fabric ribbon, but you can use any colored fabric or ribbon that you want. After you're done cutting out your fabric or ribbon, you want to paint Mod Podge onto one end of the bookmark. Then you can lay the fabric with the back facing up, and then you can place the paper on the fabric. If your fabric has lines on it, make sure it's even. Once you have the end of the bookmark done, you can repeat the same steps on the rest of the bookmark, but do not put any Mod Podge where you want the ribbon to go. When the Mod Podge is dry, you can trim off the extra fabric. Then you can cut 2 pieces of ribbon. Then you want to lift up the fabric and lay the 2 pieces of ribbon where you want them to be. And then you can paint some Mod Podge there and underneath the ribbon. Once you have where you want your ribbon to be, you want to lay the fabric back down and you want to let the bookmark dry. If you need to, you can add more Mod Podge on the sides so the fabric stays down, and you can trim the ribbon. And when it's dry, you're all done. The last bookmark I'm going to show you how to make is this bookmark with banners on it. You want to start by cutting out your bookmark out of white cardstock paper. I made my bookmark to be 6 by 2.5 inches. Then you can draw 3 banners or whatever you would like with a pencil. I drew 3 banners with Christmas lights, 2 stockings, and a triangle banner. After you're done drawing, go over it with a pen. When the ink is dry, you want to erase the pencil markings. Then you can color everything in with anything you would like. I use markers. When you're done coloring everything in, you want to put a hole in the bookmark with a hole puncher. Then you want to cut 1 to 3 pieces of ribbon and fold it in half. Then you can run the loop of the ribbon through the hole. And then you can run the ends of the ribbon through the loop. If you need to, you can trim the ribbon, and then you're all done. And that's how you make these Christmas bookmark ideas. In the comments down below, let me know which bookmark is your favorite, and subscribe to see more DIYs. I will see you in the next video. Bye!